lava ma lole soifua. Ia o leo o matui nei foi I le Polyfest for 2023. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Yes, wa sui foi le vai o le Tautai A'e foi o le nei aso. Ia e mo moana whaatalofa maofa alofa atu I le tatou au mai mo foi I le nei tūlau le afiafi. But Hannah, our beautiful Hannah, how are you and how excited are you to be here at Polyfest 2023?
Thank you so much, Bear. I'm so excited to show everyone what this beautiful celebration is all about. You know, we have our speeches today. We have so many people we want to see. We want to see the performances, and we want to get you guys included as well, so you can understand what this is about.
I know, because you know what? For a very long time, New Zealand has been on lockdown, and today I'm so excited that we are able to freely walk around, give each other some hugs and some kisses. But we're here also for a reason, because o leo ke whio e au kilo aku, po ke asiata.
Where is Asiata is the real question. So thankfully, you know, praise God, Asiata has had the wonderful opportunity to be our judge. Don't we all want to be judges, eh? So he has had the wonderful opportunity to be a judge for the Samoan stage. So we're going to get some behind the scenes of what he's looking for at a good performance and a good speech, right?
I know, but Hannah, I think we've pretty much done a scope. I think I'm a little bit hungry.
You're a little bit hungry?
A little bit hungry because o I foi e kele foi ale ai nganga e I le tatou Polyfest. I'm so excited. What are you excited most about for the next 3 days?
I think I'm most excited about the performances and the food.
The food.
Let's go check out the food.
Let's go check it out. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back.
Taro fala Samoa. Ka foi ngai mala o ko ngaru au lo manga rei ko I. Afa pe tau sa ili se lu au wa foi ia to na yo la sama so ta Tasi e te mau le Tasi Market tatoru au felesia fa ko a oto me sa so mai le tule o tatou fai palang felesi na fo no me felesia ke mau le Tasi Market le ga tailo tatou talo ni wele ar kama mai fiki karo pingi ki foi le pink taro number 1 pe api ni waila e ofa Tasi Market tatoru au mau foi tatou mau keni so o situ ai nga sai se mana tua foi e ma fai fa ausi fa ku ka ese liu bai le tu lea le tisi sira mai ai angiangi ese ma li ia o la sio ki langiangi Samoa aveni angiangi mo te mina ro ai nga ma wa mari tatou popo e fai ai lau pepe I nei le Tasi Market
A fa pe foi ke anga kai valu popo e ai foi le apa pepe
e maua foi tatou fasi moli ngosi mai lava nei tina mata mai tai Samoa le wa fa tau ina I so o situ ai nga lanu so o situ ai nga manongi ese foi e le gata ilea faupo foi le tatou fanu Samoa le tamasasa o le ai nga mo ngase ia ai me se foi fa I le ino lotino fa pe foi tatou sa manga pe o maua foi tatou lenga tau silsila mai o le tatou Samoan turmeric o le tatou lenga le gata ilea o le kama le o ava ma le tuo taimi o le sama le ua wharumia le tatou ava o mai la ia le vaenga mo le whanau laiti maua le tatou vai o le fulu maua le tatou vai lafa ia le kama le su e le to'atele ia wao nei foi vai tau o matua pi le mangeso le kingo maua ma le tatou mangesia mo le whanau ia e mai se foi o le tatou vai tale ia o le vai fiva so o situ ai ngā vai mo le whanau e te maua I nei le Tasi Market Samoa e tasi lava le whai o loa e te maua umai o loa umanei na o le Tasi Market
Tasi Market, the taste of Polynesia and your affordable local.
Talofa lava Samoa o au nanga whaare sui fua maloloina nei e te maua I le au nanga a le Pacifica Family Health Group. E lātou te whaia tui pui mo le COVID ma so o se whamai. E lātou te whaia au nanga lau tele mo ainga. E whātou no ina foi follow-up se so o lawa se taimi. Lātou te whaia au nanga lau tele wha ale soi fua maloloina. Tūlanga I ngase o le suka. Le ngata foi leo ngase o le wha I tulou. E whesoa ni foi na I wha ititia le tau mawhitapa. Lātou te ao ina foi pe ki live hantu medications mo lau ainga. Lātou te whaia foi social service referrals, food banks. Le ngata I lole au nanga le MSD wha Better Wins. Lima Waimahia Avenue I Manrewa, Weymouth, ia po le tasi tolu ono Queens Road i Paimiua. A whapele me whai ona e whio mai, e me whai ona mato wantu lo Maota, pe te wala au le numero le nei o le overu se lau, tolu tolu lua, lua o tolu. Le Pacifica Family Health Group, #1. Mwah.
As you can see, we said the food was good, and this is one of the most iconic spots for Polyfest. Everyone that comes out of here knows that they come out with a watermelon or pineapple and ice cream. Bear, let's get into it.
Honestly, I can't even, you know, Hannah, when I was growing up, this is probably the most popular thing that you buy at Polyfest every year. So I think, can we just get a watermelon and ice cream, and then a pineapple and ice cream, please?
Thank you.
I think what the other thing is that's important with Polyfest, it's also given our businesses the opportunity to, you know, promote and also share their business as well, because, man, let's be honest, the side hustle is real, but showing off their talents in the kitchen.
Can I have, is that chocolate? Yeah, chocolate.
Oh.
Amazing. So I'm getting chocolate toppings. If you come through here, you can see how these are prepared. Look at that pineapple with the vanilla and the chocolate topping. Thank you so much. This is awesome.
Good.
So guys, if you're at Polyfest, visit the Hawaiian Pineapple Hut.
Too, please. Oh, thank you very much.
Amazing. Thank you, beautiful ladies. All the best of sales today.
Oh, wow. You know what? This looks so good. I'm gonna enjoy it. Let's have
How's it? Boom! Out the park.
Done.
There you go, guys. Hawaiian Pineapple Hut. Come and visit.
Dobro done, everyone, and talofa lava. Yes, I'm here at Sister Say's little pop-up here that's right outside the diversity stage. I've just found out that this beautiful business owner right here is actually Samoan Croatian.
Yes.
And that's the intro that I started with, was the hello in her language, or in Croatia. But it's so awesome to be here, and I'm so excited to try out your food. But please introduce yourself.
Hi, hello, talofa lava, I'm T. Tiana is my full name. This is my startup business. I've only just started in the last couple of weeks.
Yeah.
But I'm very excited to be at Polyfest, to embrace my culture, especially something that, you know, islanders love, mussel fritters, can't go wrong with that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm just excited to be here. I don't know what else.
I know, T, I know you're a bit nervous, but man, tell us a little bit about the culture. You are Croatian and also Samoan. How does that work, and how do you ensure that you still keep and hold on to that Samoan part of you?
No, it's actually interesting. Samoan and Croatians have a lot in common. We're both based around family, about big meals and getting together at the end of the week, which is really important to me. I'm very family orientated, and funnily enough, my auntie actually runs Polyfest, so she's been a massive help in encouraging me to get to this point. And being a startup business owner is quite scary, but I feel so much support and so much love, so I'm really happy to just be pushing out my culture. I embrace both sides equally, but I'm also Kiwi, happy Kiwi.
I love that. Is there anything about our Samoan culture that you want to see more of when you greet our people here at the Polyfest?
Oh, I just love to see the amazing warm smiles from our Samoan family. You know, everyone is just so warm and kind, and that's the thing I love about Polyfest. It brings out the pure happiness of people, and that's just, what more can you ask for?
T, can I ask you my final question?
Yes.
Do you know what village you come from in Samoa?
Sava'i.
Sava'i, there you go. We've interviewed one of the boys previously, or earlier on, and well, he didn't quite know, but as you can see, it's important to have something like Polyfest on today.
It is.
I'm going to try it out. This is a chow down fritter.
Yes.
Mussel, crab meat, corn, spring onion, drizzled with curry sauce.
Yeah, curry coconut sauce.
Curry coconut sauce. I've explained, and I think a lot of my families understand, I don't actually eat seafood. I am one of those islanders saving it for everyone else, but I'm going to give it a go.
I hope you like it.
Is this a special Samoan recipe?
Oh, this is my special recipe to be inclusive of all dietary requirements. So it's actually gluten-free if you get it with a salad, dairy-free, just so that everyone can enjoy something.
Where's this house? Let's give it a go.
Yes.
My God. Guys, it's beautiful. I love it. You know our islanders, they love this kind of stuff. Seafood here. Check it out. Sisters say, here outside of the diversity. Guys, we better go and check out. I don't know where Hannah is. She's probably hiding from me. But guys, ASB Polyfest, it's a place to be. See you soon.
Malo lava. Ua whawhaingoa nei le PacificEzy o na lafo se leni a inga mawo I Samoa. Ua iai le lato au nanga fo e tā ua o le PacificEzy app. O le au ngā o le nei app, ia e mawhai iai o na e lafo ina lau se leni, mai so o se nofuanga I so o se taimu. Whaau ngā le Apple Store o le Google Play e download ai le PacificEzy app I lunga o lau telefoni whi ave ai. Whaataita inga, tatala le Apple Store o le Google Play. Ona e tango le e tā e tutonu le PacificEzy app. A tau loa sila I le icon o le whailunga o le PacificEzy. Ona e tango loa le e kiliki, ona a matai loa lea ona download le app. E iai wha maunga e mo o mia, taipei o lau tusi folau, po o lau leisene ave ta avale. Mani isi wha matalanga tā ua e tatau ona wha atumu, le a maea ona e download ina le app. Ia o le nā ua iai tā ua, la foloa lau se leni I Samoa. Moni isi wha matalanga wha so tae le numera o valu se lau o tasi ono pea si fo le lato upenga ta whailangi I le www.pacificezy.com.
Malo ele, yes, o leo mau mai I le stage a le au konga. As you can see behind us, they have started the speeches. O le matala no mahana, and we were talking about the importance of something like this, and especially with the speeches. You can see now it's a little bit quiet, but I still think it's very, very important. O le tāua, o le language and our culture, and spoken through something like speech competition. Hana, we know that the Ministry of Pacifica people are all about languages. You know, they've funded so many programs. Tell us why it's important to have something like language and speeches here at something like Polyfest.
Absolutely. Well, you know, we're standing right here in front of the Tongan stage and he's giving a speech fully in Tongan. And the Ministry of Pacific Peoples have invested a lot of money into Polyfest and, you know, a lot of funding to these groups of people so that we can celebrate our culture and languages. And in the famous Samoan proverb, "Ale ai sengangana, ele ai seanganu'u." So our identity is closely tied to our language, and it's so beautiful, to see the speeches happening. Young kids, 16, at the age of 16, practicing in front of a group of people being judged. It must be really nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
And hopefully we get to interview some of these kids. This is a really brave thing for them to do.
It is a brave thing because even us here in New Zealand, ole whaingataya, it is so difficult to learn two different languages and to also hold it. And when you become an adult, man, it's really difficult. I know myself, ole whaingatafoi, because you've seen it on Tautai A'e S3 so many times, the struggles that we have and the battles, but how awesome is it that something like Polyfest is able to capture that so that we don't lose too much of our identity in our language.
Absolutely. And you know, we're a bit tough on our kids. You know, growing up, they're like, why can't you speak Samoan? It's very hard here in New Zealand. You got to keep up with so many things, school, work, your family commitments. So language is something that we adapt to and that we learn at a stage in our life when we have the time to do it. So this is really important for us because this is celebrating our languages and our people.
You know, I love it. But you know what? We're often walking around. We've enjoyed some food, some of the iconic food here at the Polyfest. But I just want to know, we're so invested in Polyfest, but how well do our students know about their language and their country?
Let's find out.
See you soon. Okay guys, we're here, we're still at the Tongan stage and we've bumped into the boys from Whangarei College. We're going to ask them a few questions to see how much they know about the Kingdom of Tonga. Okay, first question. How many islands does Tonga have?
169.
169, almost. No. What colour is the Tongan flag?
Red and white.
Red and white, correct. How do you say, I need a Tongan one for this one. How do you say I love you in Tongan?
That's you, Mr. Tongan man. Ofatu.
Ofa'atu, I like it. And last and final question. What is the capital of Tonga?
Nuku'alofa.
Nuku'alofa, there you guys have it. Our boys from Whangarei College know exactly all they need to know about Tonga. O leo ma whaatasi ma le se tasi o tama whanau mai Samoa. O langa ingoa, o ai longa foi o malama lama lau kama lea, I don't wha Samoa, because he's from Whangarei. Au Whangarei, o mea ngai kumui ai au maoli. So o leo wha whasili aku lau kama lea. Ei loanga ia whesili la ia. What's your name, brother?
My name's Ace.
Oi longoa.
Huh?
Now, it's time to test the language. That was, what's your name?
My name is Ace.
Yeah. Okay, first question. Who is the former Prime Minister of Samoa?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Give it to he said Usgang.
Okay, second question. What's the capital of Samoa?
Apia.
Apia, yes. Who is the current Prime Minister of Samoa?
Huh? My head.
Okay, he doesn't know. This is not looking good, Samoa. Okay, how do you say I love you, baby, in Samoa? Wow. That's a hard one. And I'm waiting.
I learned this. I can't remember.
Oh, I am disappointed. Okay.
You heard it
How
first.
many islands does Samoa have?
2. How many is on my back?
Do not put this on film.
There's 2 islands.
Okay, last question. If you get this right, all of the questions before that, I'm not going to worry about it.
How do you say hi?
What is a sarulima?
What? Is it a mat?
Yelena Samoa, I'm disappointed. If you are the parent of Ace, make sure you teach him how to speak Samoan. You're good.
Oh God, make you just give me a second, eh? Hello? Auntie! Oh, Mayuko! Sorry, so, come on, send me something. Auntie, if I told him my lunch, but okay. Baby, what do you want? Barbecue. Oh. Chef, I'm more sorry. Thanks. Love you to the family. Okay. Hello, Vaku. Yeah, fancy. Barbecue? Yes. We have the barbecue, please. Talofa voucher. Thanks, Talofa voucher. Do you know how much I love you? No. No.
Bulavinaka, Talafalava, Talohani, and Kia ora, yes, we are here at the diversity stage. Hana, this is probably the only stage, o leo waiele taso performances. It is the stage where all of our smaller, if I can say, islands and diverse ethnic groups performing and come together as one and share the same stage. What do you think the changes have been for it?
I think it's really important. It is the first day of Polyfest, and I think this is really important because it celebrates our Tahitian communities, our Indian communities, and there's so many groups in here that, you know, growing up in New Zealand and Auckland, we see in our schools. So it's great to celebrate these other cultures. Yeah.
It is awesome to celebrate the other cultures. I think I'm just a little bit sad that Tuvalu this year doesn't have their own stage. O aso la na iai ia le tātou Tuvalu stage, na iai fo'i ia le Fijian stage. But I think that because of the changes and the impact that COVID has had on our Pacifica community, they've made some slight changes and maybe they've just reduced the numbers. But I still think it's very important that we keep pushing through and that we keep pushing our language and our culture through to our schools.
Absolutely.
And that's what all of the Ministry of Pacifica people are placed there for, is to help us. But talking about COVID, Hannah, it still exists in our community, and I know that our massive sponsor as well, Pacifica Family Health Group, are here at Polyfest to ensure that you are still well protected, providing you the information. Hannah, what do you reckon? Do you reckon we should check it out?
We should definitely check it out. And if you're at home and you live in Auckland, come and check out the diversity stage. Heaps of cool performances. You can learn a lot too. Yeah.
Yeah, Hana masalo o vevela mai foi le lale nei. I tu la o le afi. Oh my goodness, it's been a hot day.
It is so hot, and as you know, we are at the most scorching part of the day. It is now like 2:30 p.m. and that's the time usually, you know, in Samoa when it's hot, they have a rest.
Yeah, and also in Samoa, it's a vali sole awara Samoa. This is my memory of Samoa. They hold up their laufai, ai o savavali whaatea, a leo ma savavali mai I le Samoan stage. The Samoan stage, they've got the speeches going on. We've seen earlier on the importance o le tāua, I le aoina le tato whanau, I le nganu, ma le wha Samoa. You know I joked about it earlier on, but it's so important. And don't worry, I did encourage him to continue to learn to speak Samoan. Never mind, he's going to do that. That's his homework. But Hannah, we're here.
We are here at the center of the Pacific, the Samoan stage. As you know, me and Bea are very prideful Samoans, and our host for Tautai A'e, Asiata, has had the amazing privilege of being a judge here at the Samoan stage.
Wow.
So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go see what's up.
I can't wait, because you know what? His judging criteria is going to be so harsh that it's going to be like, we're going to go see how he is going to use his skills to judge you at the Samoan stage. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ia le nā le o ma whaatasi atu ma le mawhanau mai Onehanga High School, and they are here to represent their schools, their villages, their family, and Samoa here at the Samoan stage with their speeches or speech competitions that's happening today. I'm going to get them to introduce themselves. How are you guys today? Please, can you introduce yourselves?
Tala Falava, my name is Joyce, and I'm from Onehanga High School, presenting Year 11 speeches today.
And I'm Scott, Year 9, and I'm representing OHS, Onehanga High School. Yeah.
Okay, first things first, masalo leo to tele le au mai moa. O whea no ta whanau lea. Where are you guys from? What is your village in Samoa?
I'm from Savai, by Sala.
Here we go, everyone's cheering.
My dad is from Vaisaulu, known as next to Lalava Lava, and my mum is from Fa'ala Palauli. Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, first things first, you've just done your speeches here. How does it feel, and what was the feeling that was going through you guys while lewa whai le lua speech?
I was nervous at first, but when I got into my song, it really gave me much more energy and confidence and hype to do my speech in front of the judges, and not only judges but my audience.
Can I ask, what was your speech about?
My speech was about resources and pathways for kids like my age and for our culture to stay alive.
Why did you feel the need to do a speech about this?
Because our language is slowly losing every day, and our kids our age aren't using it as much as our past leaders did.
And yourself, how did you feel today?
I feel happy about my speech. I was a little bit nervous before I got on the stage, but yeah.
Yeah. And what was your speech about?
My speech was about how is it important to learn your your culture and yeah, learn your language.
Yeah. Well, that brings me to my second question. O le ale taua o le se mea lea pe o le Polyfest I le tato whanau. Every day you've mentioned it, we are losing our language and our culture and our identity every single day that we are living here in New Zealand. Why is something like Polyfest important to you?
It is important to bring us together. It's something that reunites us all together as a village or nation, and to bring us to speak our own voice and what the world needs to hear.
And yourself?
I just want to add on, it's the same thing, is to bring the Samoa culture together and celebrate. And yeah, we need to learn our language. We're starting to lose it. Yeah.
We are. Look, o au leo no whanau I nei I New Zealand, e lele fo ilo wha Samoa. Is there any chance that we can hear a little snippet of one of your guys' parts that's important in your speech?
O se whamana tutupulanga tilo, I e mana tulele o oil Samoa, peo tiloa, e lele mau I le vai.
Oh, that's beautiful.
O se mea lofa ia te au, o se mea lofa ia te au o mo se ngana whamanuia ma se mea lofa mai te mālang nia.
There you have it, Samoa. It's so beautiful to see our students you know, embrace our language and our culture today for day one of the speeches. We're going to go and see how tough it is. The judges are at the back, but I'm going to ask them quickly, what do you expect from the judge? Should I bribe him?
Bribe him.
Bribe him?
Bribe him.
Bribe him.
Bribe him. Ma'am,
Okay.
it is an honor. Please bribe them.
Bribe them? What are you expecting from the judges? Do you want them to be hard or do you want them to be soft on judging the criteria for you guys?
Soft and hard.
Yeah, we get half, 50-50.
50-50, just make sure it's fair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, did you have any advice before we go to all of our students, our Samoan students?
Make sure to embrace your culture and be happy with who you are. That is who you are and you're born. 685, baby!
All the way!
Let's go and check out Asiata.
Ia o te whaatalo whatu sa moe lau mai moa ngai le nei vanga o le afiafi. Le tu ina sa watu fōi ia me sore tātou whaatalo noanga le nei. Ia I tua Maota o le fola Samoa po le fale o Samoa po le malai o Samoa. Ia I le no whaanga le nei o lo whataunu nai le tauwanga fōi le a o ngai longo ala vai au te roa nei o le Polyfest. Po le Polynesian Festival. Ia a o ngā maualulunga umala vai te tonu au kilani ia ma so se tafa o le nei pitonu I au kilani. O le fifianga fōi o le loto pea mai se o le whaafonga maua Samoa. Ia wā whea fōi lo whaatau waa. Ia e whai masetasi o whaamasino. Ia le nei fōi la tau sanga e mai se o le tauwanga. Ia mo aso nei e wha o nei, tai au, aso freile, ona wha mai ale le aso tōna. O le ala whatoa mai, o le aso mua le nei aso lulu. Sa amatalia I tauwanga tau talanga, mana tua fōi le suinga le ua iai I le komiti whaatonu, mai la tau olo whaaporokalameina le nei wha moe. Ua leo toi tau o ni tauwanga launga. Ia, mo manino a mantore vai le launga ia whanau po tamaiti. Ai ua suia I tauwanga tautalanga. Ia aolo iei fo ilale au wivi e muli tai iai. O neila, le sa whea ngai iei le vasenga iwa se furu mre sumaritas. Ia mo lanto tau wa mahe ala. Ia o le whela o le na whaile malo lo ngā whaamasino. Ia me se fo I o le officials. La tau o lo whea ngai ma. Ia se I whai tausi kua wai manatua. E o malava. Ia madeli up. Ia malau wai ia tongi. E na ona lau la nei. Ia ai piki le awards I le aso tona. Le tau walunga ma tai o whai umai vanga uma. Ma naia ta penanga le whanau. Stay me fo I o tau sila mai nei kilipi. Ia ma vaenga I tau mawhai ngā le ia 9, ia 10, ma le ia 11. Ia ai me se fo I o I la tau I tau vanga ma topics fo I o autu ese. E whaali o la tau manatu matulanga whapena. Ma eu fo I ta penanga le whanau whaftai fo I whaia o ngā malau mua ese. Ia me se fo I o mantua. E tu sa I fo I o tūlanga I le tapu e ina, me se fo I fangu e whaau waulenga ngana Samoa. Ia ele ngā tau a inga, e me se fo I kālesia. Ia, o le vaha so mua la le nei. O le mātou pēno o whamasino, ia o le whionga le whaitua ia vini la le peteru, ia o toi utai ala vor pulkalame le nei, a meso i la tau tausanga uma, o le whionga i le tai whono, o ia fo i le whaiaonga, tai le University au Kilani. Ia le whionga le tofi lau, to ali, ia mai se fo i le tamama tua, po le sunga le fomai, le whionga muri angateli. Ia ale mātou tei a wai lunga o le laulau o whamasino, whapela ia le whionga na whanua teli. Ma fau piras, mai le matanga luenga o tangata tumotu o le Pasifika. Ia o sina update sila na tu sa yo le nei aso mo na tulanga. Ai fio mai matala mai au. A whaptai foi pea wau te lo e sa vali le nei e sa vali o au kere yo iai.
Ai asa leita lo wata pena mai ina vaenga e toi o if wau le tonga luenga, but I just wanted to quickly ask, how important is it for you to ensure that the way that you critique and judge our students is important? Because for students, is it going to be too harsh? Is it going to be enough to teach them that the importance of our language?
E taua ile mantou pepa o tongi, ma whamatalanga. E iai lava le vaenga muli le nai whai mai e o se fautuanga po se komeni, ale whamasino. E tele lava e whainga tā fo i le feelinga, mana tua fo e makua ingosia ia mamengi o whamasingo pe ao ina ai ia te au. E leo le manu malo, a o le whaataua, mana ia le whamawha le whaletua ia vini, la le peteru te mina tapa ila na ipu le awa i le amatanga, e leo le leo launga ngana, ai ia whaupopo lama e a mio ai i launga ngana. Ai mo le whaavisilia, ia whautuanga watu inantu, e toe mati ti matai le upenga, ia ono le la matou watu. Ai whaatai le mafuta mai le vango le fiafi whaatai pea.
Yeah, thank you very much, Asiata. I know that you have to go, so we are going to close it off. Would you like to have any final words and close us off for today?
Ia, le na, a fio mai mtala mai au ili tātou Polyfest, i nei no whanga I manutau, ofi te irirangi. Ia, e whaataua e fio mai lango le whanau, o nei tai au whaau tau wanga tau talanga. Amata le valu le tai au a le 12 mai 13 a mese la makama foi le pe freestyle kama yanga le vaku le o topic e o so lo lunga pingi la launga a so for really fa tulanga mai fa fifianga e tulanga uma la vo maulu sa ma vainga fa pena e a tau lunga ile stona ia felo ai le Samoa ai manu ia la fa so so le vanga le fifi.
Welcome to Maota Samoa service station. Talofa. 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 Talofa.
Talofa. Ua iai foi au nanga I lunga al Pacific 40 ma le maua app. Mo nai tatou ainga o lo alala ia tulu mau.
To be fiel on the Bemo Samoa. By the time left your mind, we will see you again. God bless.
Now that is beef.
You think that's beautiful? Look at this.
Nah. Wings without crowds. This is beautiful.
No, this is beautiful. Come on now, this is beautiful.
No. She is beautiful.
But how's this for beautiful?
No, this is beautiful.